Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2018 Hyundai Elantra GT GL Automatic, local trade, bought here, serviced here. Customers simply fell in love with our new venue, and we're always happy to get in a nice trade like this, especially on these low of kilometers, which I will show you in a minute. I'd like to do a quick walk around the vehicle, show you that everything is in very nice shape, point out any scratches or dents that I notice. So especially if you're from out of town, we show you and are fully transparent about the vehicle. So again, this one to me is in really nice shape. Nothing sticks out on the outside or the exterior. No damages. A couple little scratches here and there. There's a little scuff on the bottom there that you can see. Other than that, appears to be in very nice shape. Hood's in very nice shape. You got fog lights, the nice alloy wheels. Lots of tread on the tires, turn signal indicators. I'll show you the hood real quick. So you can see no visible scratches from a snow brush or anything like that. Show you the trunk. Nice size trunk for a hatchback. You got 3 child anchors, so up to 3 child seats if you have to. This cover here can be removed if you need some extra space, but it is quite handy as nobody can see what's in your rear cargo area. Customer also added sun visors, nice little touch. Power windows, you got nice cloth seats all around. This one just came out of the detail department, so it's in very nice shape. If you don't need these cup holders, you need a fifth spot. There you go, you just put that up. I'll show you some of the interior features for the driver's side. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, adjustable driver's seat. You got lane departure warning. You can adjust your interior illumination of your lights, and you can turn off your traction control if need may be. What else can I show you about this vehicle? Well, I'm going to turn it on quick. I can tell you it's got a remote starter.
We're talking with Richard from P2E.
Check it out. Here's the best part about this car. One of the best anyways. Less than 25,000 kilometers on the vehicle. So on top of that, you have all your Bluetooth and volume controls and this nice leather wrapped steering wheel. You've also got your cruise control and your information center, so you can toggle through some different options, which comes up on the main dash here. So that's some of the nice features right to the hands of the driver. You got a heated steering wheel, probably my favorite option, especially on those cold days. 3-stage heated seats on both sides. Drive mode allows you to change your steering. Because they're electric steering, you can tighten or loosen the steering based on your preference. You've got all your auxiliaries and inputs down there. You've got a nice, well thought out temperature gauge here with front and rear defrost, obviously air conditioning. Very easy and simple, easy to use, easy to see. If we move up to our information center, you have a nice big screen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatible. And you also have a nice big backup camera. So again, lots of standard features, less than 25,000 kilometers, so more than 75,000 kilometers of full factory warranty on this car. Local trade, 2018, don't miss out. Shop 24/7 at SeawayHyundai.com.